We're very excited to be receiving our new custom luxury floor mats from Manicci. These are for our Hyundai Genesis Coupe project. We want that to add some color to the otherwise bland interior. The interior of the Hyundai is all black, and we thought it needs a little bit of more color in there. And these will certainly make it pop. Bright red, diamond stitching, they look gorgeous. We think they're really going to make the interior pop. And yeah, they make these. Manicci makes these for all kinds of cars, not just Hyundais. But we chose these because they were custom fitted to our car, and really add a nice touch of luxury. And the workmanship, as you can see in these close-up shots, is awesome. So we're really excited to install these and can't wait to see the final project.